This is the review for question number 3. When I look at question number 3, I see a lot of words, and a lot of times that's very intimidating. But let's break this down. I think this is going to be an easier question than most of us think. A class observes high feathery clouds. Which student's conclusion is most reasonable? Well, before I even start, I'm going to tell you what I know about that and what you know. High feathery clouds are cirrus clouds. They mean fair weather today, but rain soon. And it's going to rain soon because there's a front pushing rain in. Let's go through this one. Anita says the feathery clouds, she says they are rain clouds. Rain clouds are nimbus clouds, whether it's cumulonimbus or nimbostratus. That is not a cirrus cloud, therefore we can determine that A is not, oops, sorry about that, switch back to this. A is not the correct answer. Stacy says the feathery clouds will remain stationary and bring no rain over the next few days. It definitely brings no rain today, but it will rain soon. Although that seems like a good answer, B is not the right answer. Tyree says high clouds mean skies are clearing and there will be sunny skies the next few days. It will rain soon when you see cirrus clouds. John says high clouds mean a front is coming and will be clouds and rain in the next few days. It will rain soon. That matches what we said. That is the correct answer. D is the best answer.